Hello everyone, my name is Kim and I'm about to start homework 1 assignment for HTML and CSS class. Now as you can see, I have already fired up my IDE, that is Visual Studio Code. I'm using Visual Studio Code as my editor, and I have already opened my project folder, which I have named homework 1. So I'll start off by creating a file to my project folder. I'll name it index.html. So as you can see, I've created a file, my index.html file, and to save time, I will input the basic code, which is the boilerplate code provided by Emmet. Emmet is an extension for Visual Studio Code. Saves us time to code the basic HTML code. So as you can see, I already have the basic code, that is doc type HTML, and then we have HTML tag, then we have the head plus the meta tags. Now for the title, let me close the Explorer so that you can be provided with a better view of my file. So the title is document, but I will rename this to homework 1. It's homework assignment. Homework assignment 1, which is about lists. Now moving on, we shall go ahead and now we are done with the head, so we shall move on to the body part, and I'll start off by creating a heading. So I'll create a h2 tag with the heading for my recipe, and that is the recipe for my favorite food, which is chicken masala with white rice. That's my heading, and then I'll introduce the ingredients with a paragraph. So we can say that the following are the ingredients. Now moving on, we shall create an unordered list with all the ingredients for this recipe. So I'll create an ordered list tag, UL tag, and inside the UL tag we shall have the list items. So I'll go ahead and type in the ingredients. So the first one is 1 cup of uncooked white rice, then followed by the next one, which is 2 cups of water, and then the third ingredient is 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Then the fourth one is salt. Of course, you need salt to taste. The fifth ingredient will be 1 pound of skinless, boneless chicken cutlets. We have 2 more to go, and we have 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and finally the last one is a half cup of masala wine. Now for my fifth ingredient, 1 pound of skinless boneless chicken cutlets. So a lot of guys go wrong with this particular recipe. They usually don't take up the bones. So to emphasize on this, we can put this within a strong tag to put more emphasis. So I'll put these 2 words within these strong tags. That's just to put more emphasis for the user. Now we have pretty much done with the first section. Now the next section, we are supposed to create the steps for preparing the recipe, and the steps should be done with an ordered list. So we shall create another paragraph to create some kind of introduction for the list of directions to be followed. So we can say follow the following. Okay. P paragraph. I've messed up a bit with my indentation. This is better. So the following all follow the steps below to prepare the recipe. So this should be followed by an ordered list, and for the list items, since there are several, I'll just paste I'll just copy and paste. I had them in another file, so sorry for that. So I'll just copy them and paste them within my ordered list tags. So yeah, that's good. So I think we are pretty done with this assignment, but to explain each section, I will just include some few comments. And well, just to explain about each section. So I'll start with this one, and this is the heading. And then the other one is a paragraph. Paragraph 1 to introduce the ingredients, and then we shall have this is the unordered list. And then we have paragraph 2, paragraph 2 to introduce the directions or steps to follow. And then we have finally the ordered list. So just save my file. Now at last you want to view this on a browser. So Visual Studio Code has got another extension which is a live server. So I'll open this file with a live server. So as you can see, the server have been started at port 5500 and it has already opened from my Google Chrome browser. So as you can see, this is our H2 heading, chicken masala with white rice, and then the first paragraph introducing the ingredients. So we have our ingredients in an ordered list, and then we have the second paragraph introducing the recipe, the steps to follow, and as you can see, they are in an ordered list, that is step 1 to 6. So that is pretty much the end of homework 1 assignment, and thank you guys for viewing.